Bitcoin and Ethereum update, December 26, 2022. This is based for scalp trading. Now, you may or may not be interested in this. Either way is okay. If you're interested in digital assets or just learning a little bit, I'm going to share with you how I'm thinking and what I'm looking for. I'm setting up the week, and I'm about ready to go to the studio. I know that we don't have a lot of time, so while I'm working, I set up the charts a certain way, and I'm just sharing with you how I do it. If you're interested in collaborating with me on this in any way, please let me know. My phone number is inside the contact information of this. And I'd love to collaborate. I'm looking for a few people who are interested in collaborating with it. Because this is if whatever we do, money, what they say, love makes the world go around, but money greases the wheels, right? So a friend of mine had said that, but this is part of how I one of my goals is to part of this is to pay for my activism in my life and what's important to me. So I'm just sharing with you what I'm thinking. So this is Bitcoin chart right here, and this is all part of the IM Academy. So we'd be learning this together and this is the Ethereum chart. So I'm getting ready to set it up for the week, and I'm going to be quick about it because I'm getting ready to go to the studio. So immediately what I do is the way I'm trained in the system, there's lots of different systems. I'll just show you what I'm doing. But now I do have a couple of things that I do that's at the beginning of the week that's more than just the basics. So the first thing I like to do is zoom out to about you can look at the charts from any time frame. This is a 4-hour time frame, meaning each little blip is 4 hours. But now what I'm looking for in this case right now is I want to find the highs and the lows of the week, right? So on this 22nd right here, it was a low right there. Let's see here, so I want to going to make a horizontal line there. I'm going to make the color blue because this is my highs and lows of the week that I'm looking at. This is really kind of more than a week, but I want to say these are going to be two different important levels right here. So I'll just, for my notes, just looking at that. Okay, now I'm going to zoom down to the short term. Okay, so now this is what I'm looking at right here. I'm going to go ahead and save it. BTC, December 26th, 2022, 7:25. 7:25. I'm on Mountain Standard Time, so whatever time you're on, and let's go with that. Okay, save. All right, now I'm going to. So we zoomed into the 15-minute time frame. Now I want to find a few touch points, either here or here. I'm just going to say this looks pretty juicy right there. This is going to be my support zone that I want to break and close above this support zone. Okay, but actually, yeah, I'm going to go with. If you're more conservative, you could probably go here. It's definitely a different zone, so I'm going to include it, but those are the two zones I'm looking for to break and close above for prices going up. But now the actual system, if you see here, the actual computer system gave us a sign saying break and close below this bar right here. So if it breaks and closes below this bar, I'm just going to do a quick volume check. If it breaks and closes below this bar right here, okay, it's like we're okay. Then they're saying that that's a sign that it's breaking the support at the bottom and that the price is going to go down. So, right. So let's go ahead, and I'm going to use I love their call out. So I'm going to use that. So those are my two zone areas that I'm looking for. I'm going to save it. I'm going to add in two special indicators we use that's specifically to the IM Academy, which if you were a member of, like me, you would get access to this indicator right here. We just add this in because it shows us if the market is buying or selling. So you can see that it's a green arrow right there. It's actually selling. buying. So it means it's, pushing up. So let's save that. Now, I also like to add in the stochastic RSI. That's a little bit more. You can learn about that later, but this helps me to get an idea too, with just it's just another tool. All right, so that's it right there. Those are my zones that I'm looking for right here for Bitcoin. That's it right there. I'm going to be watching that. And so, but I'm really watching to see if it breaks this zone right here, because this is something that was called, well, it's actually about 30 minutes ago now. They call for this to break and close below here, meaning price is going to go down. It's going to go down below the red bar, and it's going to, and then the next 15-minute time frame, it'll stay there. That's kind of what they're projecting. Doesn't mean that it will, but you have all these ways to, what they call confluences. You want everything to kind of add up. Okay, so that's where we're at for Bitcoin on the short term. Okay. Yeah, okay. My volume was good. Okay. All right, now let's go to Ethereum real quick. Switch to a line chart. It's calling for a break and close above, which I really personally, in my journey right now, I'm trading Bitcoin first and then Ethereum, because a lot of times Ethereum will follow the Bitcoin price right now. It doesn't mean that it's always going to be that way, but so I really lean on the Bitcoin price mostly to follow and see if I'm going to take an Ethereum trade. I'll usually do them the same way. I won't trade them opposites. Okay, so that's I'm going to save Ethereum. Okay, Ethereum, December 26th, 2022. 7:30 a.m. Oh, it was a.m. Meant to put that on the other one. That's okay. a.m. Okay, Mountain Standard Time. I can edit it later. Okay, now, so that's that. So those are my zones for Ethereum, and that's it. Just going to add the super trend indicator. And basically, I'm trading when I'm scalp trading. I'm trading off the zones. I'm just looking for different zones. And after a while, you start to pick them up. After you see them enough, you start to pick them up, and you can trade the zones. We can trade them together, and you can, my goal is my personal goal with scalp trading is I have a scalp trading account, and my goal is to increase that account 10% every week. And that is a realistic goal from my trading coach, and could be realistic for you. So imagine if you had a scalp trading account just for this purposes right here, and do the math on it. If it did grow at 10% every week, if it grew 10% every week, how great would that be, right? So okay, so this is Ethereum, so I'm going to leave it at that, and I need to jump off. See, okay, it's set on my time zone. I'm on Mountain Standard Time. You can set it to your area. And this is our Ethereum. This is where we're at right here. This is what I don't need to go back. I was going to go back and show my older chart, but I don't have time for that right now. But this is it. This is what I'm watching right now. On the 15-minute time frame, what is Bitcoin going to do? Is it going to break and close below the idea? Or is it going to go up? So, but what we do is we put that Bitcoin in the box. See how it's in a box? And then when it breaks and closes out of the box, we can trade it and have a higher rate of success. So, all right, that's it for now. Appreciate your time and your energy. And if you have any questions about the IM Academy, let me know. I'm looking to collaborate with anybody who's interested. And we'll talk to you later. Bye for now.